The objection by someone like Dawkins, who created God, is so easy to respond to. The first premise of the cosmological argument that I state is not that everything has a cause, in which case God would need a cause. The premise is everything that begins to exist has a cause. That is to say, if something comes into being at some point in time, then there must be something that brings it into being. It can't just pop into being uncaused out of nothing. But if a being is eternal, if it never came into being, but has always existed, then it's hard to see how there even could be a cause of such a being, because there is nothing prior to it. So the idea of God has always been the idea of a self-existent, eternal being that never began to exist. And so the question, what is God's cause, is a meaningless question. It's like saying, why are all bachelors unmarried? God cannot have a cause as a self-existent eternal being.